Bats fly. Good morning, good morning. I'm now heading to Austin, Texas for my fourth ADE Institute. It's 6:30 in the morning and my flight is at 8:30. I'll be meeting a lot of teachers in a little while, so yeah. See you later in Austin. Just landed Austin after a 3.5-hour flight from LAX. Just excited to be here and participate in one of the best professional development any teachers could be in. And this is Austin. This is my first time here in Austin, Texas, and I'm excited to see my ADE friends at the hotel in a little while. So see you there. Finally checked in my hotel room. I'm still waiting for my roommate. His name is Christopher. He's gonna be here anytime now. And as always, we have our ADE ID. I'm ADE class of 2015 because I've been inducted in 2015. And we've got these shirts and jacket or hoodie that we usually get during the institute. This is the start of our 4-day summer institute, and I'm really looking forward for this event because I know it's going to be amazing. This is my second time being in a worldwide ADE institute and my fourth time being in an ADE institute or academy. I'm looking forward to seeing my old friends from the ADE class of 2015. Also some ADE that I met over the years that I've been attending the Summer Institute. So one of the many things that you can do here in Austin is to watch bats fly from the bridge. This is Rolly, one of the ADEs of 2022. So we're all heading to downtown Austin. This is our first night here in Austin. I'm gonna be going out with my ADE friends from the Philippines to see Austin at night. And we are now walking on the famous 6th Street here in Austin, where all the music thing is happening. So we're going to check out what the nightlife is here in Austin. Every ADE institute or summer institute is always one of the best professional development for any teachers attending, and I've met a lot of new friends and of course old friends from my class of 2015. Any teachers who are thinking of applying for the Apple Distinguished Educator, I highly recommend that you prepare for your videos and apply. This year it's special because we're doing the worldwide ADE, so we're not just meeting teachers from our region, which is America. Name the country and you will probably be meeting them here in this institute. Good morning. So this is our second day of the Institute. And the reason why this is the worldwide ADE is because all the amazing teachers and educators around the globe are here in one place, and this year it's in Austin. Kind of like a UN convention. If you're an educator in Japan or China, England, or even in South Africa, you can apply and be part of this wonderful group of educators. Every ADE Institute, we are supposed to produce an output or a project, and for this year we're doing a theme of everyone can create, and for this year my project is going to be share my skill of producing content online or producing video content online, and my hope is there will be more of me producing content in Filipino or in Tagalog. Yeah, that's going to be my project for this year. I'm now going back to LAX. It's been a great 5-day experience here in Austin, Texas with my fellow ADEs. This vlog made you curious as to how great it is to become or to be part of this community. Just get ready with your video application and send it in. See you all next year on the next ADE Institute. Bye.
There's someone behind us, 2 of them behind us.
And this is one of the best and most exciting part of the ADE Institute, the field trip.
The field trip. Yeah,
We're on the bus heading to a barbecue place.